Hi guys, thanks for dropping by. Today's video is about turning back your biological clock. Dr. Mark Hyman has written a book about it. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Also note, I don't make anything from leaving the link. It's just for your convenience if you're interested in the book. Okay, that being said, Dr. Hyman explains in this article what he's doing to keep himself younger. It's an ambitious workout, so let's get started. By the way, if you have any comments, leave them in the comments section. Any comments on this workout? I'd love to hear from you. Here we go. With the aid of a rather involved morning regimen, this doctor is resisting the passing of time. Dr. Mark Hyman, 63, claims to be 43 years old biologically and attributes his Benjamin Button-like buoyancy to smoothies, meditation, and icy plunges. Biological age tests are controversial, but according to one expert, they provide a useful estimate for how much internal damage has been occurred. Hyman discusses his technique, which he claims may help a person extend their health span, in his new book, Young Forever: The Secrets to Living Your Longest, Healthiest Life, which, by the way, there's a link to in the description. According to Insider and a Facebook post from 2019, Hyman wakes up at 6 a.m. to practice meditation for 20 minutes to start his day. Before engaging in 30 minutes of weight exercise, the age-defying doctor also enjoys coffee and journal writing. According to Hyman, exercise improves memory function and makes us sharper, happier, and more resilient. According to studies, strenuous exercise is a more effective antidepressant than Prozac. The young silver fox added to Insider that his ultimate goal is to work out for around 3 hours every day. But not all of it happens early in the day. Hyman completes 30 minutes of strength training before taking a steam shower and immediately taking a cold plunge, spending 3 minutes submerged in icy 40-degree water. He then prepares a morning smoothie that has 48 grams of protein and good fats from chia seeds and berries, which he refers to as a healthy aging shake. According to Hyman, the most essential things are exercise and a diet with healthy fats and plant foods. Nothing, not even supplements, can take their place. Several professionals in the medical field support Hyman's thorough morning routine. According to Everyday Health, taking a cold plunge can enhance circulation, lessen discomfort, and elevate your mood. And according to Healthline, going from hot to cold water can aid in reducing edema, in addition to other advantages. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention note that exercise has also been shown to enhance heart health and lower your chances of developing malignancies, including breast, bladder, and kidney. The Mayo Clinic notes that meditation has been demonstrated to reduce stress and enhance sleep quality. Hyman believes that even though he gets up early to complete his daily ritual, getting a good night's sleep is as important. According to him, sleep deprivation is the primary cause of many aging-related symptoms, including inflammation, mitochondrial damage, altered hormone, and nutrition sensing pathways. This is one complete workout, so if you've got a workout that you do and you'd like to leave it in the comments section, I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.